Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. The quiz contains the basic option plus multiplication and division. So we have to solve this quiz using MAMDAS and mod mass method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list we have four answers: A is 0, B is 2, C is 3 and D is 8. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. Now let's talk about what are the rules which we can follow to solve the given expression. Here we will discuss rules for marks and PAMDAS rules. These rules we will apply to solve any arithmetic expression. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After the bracket, you have to see the power of any number if your expression contains any number which has the power. So you have to solve that part after the bracket. Step number 3, you have to solve the division and multiplication or multiplication and division. So what you have to do, you have to go left to right in your expression and find out division and multiplication. So both have similar precedence, so you can solve any of them which is coming first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first, and we can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. Now move forward to solve the given expression. Here, according to the rule, and we have to solve first the bracket, or you can say parenthesis. So first of all, we have this bracket which contains operation which is multiplication and also a number which has the power. So what we have to do first, we have to solve this one which is the power. 2 plus 2 multiply and 2 multiply 2 raised to power 2 means 4 and divided by 2 minus 2 we will write here as it is, and here we have to give the reference 2 raised to power 2 equals to. Now we have to solve now the bracket which is 2 multiplied by 4. So first of all we have 2 plus 2 multiplied by 2 to the 4 which is 2 for the 8. We will write 8 and divided by 2 minus 2. Again we have to write as it is, and here we have to give the reference to multiply 2 multiplied by 4. 8. This becomes the 8. Now we have to solve. We have solved this one, and now we have solved the exponent part and also order of operation also. Now we have to go left to right and find out which is coming first. So now we have 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 8. We have to solve this one. We like 2 plus 2 8 is 16 divided by minus 2. We will write here as it is. And here we have to give the reference to multiply by 8 equals to. Now move forward. We have solved this one. Now we have to go again left to right and find out division and multiplication. So now we have this division which is 16 divided by 2. So we will solve this one. 2 plus 16 divided by 2, it becomes 8 minus 2. And here we have to give the reference 16 divided by 2 equals to 8. Now move forward. Again, we have to go left to right. And now we have solved the division and multiplication, or you can say multiplication and division. So now we have to solve the addition and subtraction. We will go for addition and subtraction. We have to go left to right, and now we have this two number which is 2 plus 8. So we will write 10 minus 2. And here we have to give the reference 2 plus 8 equals to 10. Now we have two terms which are subtracting each other, so we will subtract both of them and get the answer is 8. So the answer of the given expression is 8. If you see the answer list, so answer D is the correct answer of this expression. So I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah.